So you've had ackee with saltfish, with red herring, corn pork, bully beef, but have you tried ackee pasta? Chef Bobby Jones is here to show you how it's done. Morning, Bobby.
Morning, ma'am.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you very much.
Start off bad. Morning, Mom. I must have been my 21 years old, that's why I'm saying so. So this morning, we're going to talk about ackee and codfish pasta in coconut cream sauce. So what are we working with? What are the ingredients that
All right, so right here I have some scallion rounds, right? I have some red bell peppers, some green bell peppers, some yellow bell peppers, some pepper jack cheese right here, and some julienne carrots. Right. Also, I have some ackee right here, which is Jamaica's favorite dish, which is also mixed national dish, right? Some saltfish right here, and also I have some penny pasta right here.
Penny pasta.
Yes, ma'am. This is my cream sauce, my olive oil, which gives everything good flavor, and also can't do without this.
You can. Right. That's when you're having pasta.
Which is right.
So talk to me about the ackee, Bobby, because it's. You know, it can't be too hard, can't be too soft.
Can't be too soft.
So how do you prepare it before putting it in the pasta? Or do you prepare it before?
Yes, I do. I have to prepare it before. What happens is that you boil it for about 5 to 6 minutes the most.
Okay.
Why? Because after you put it within the pot, it's going to actually go through a cooking process again. So you find you don't want it to be too soft when it comes out.
Okay, all right. So let's get started. I don't know, the recipe is going to come up. Is this pot heating up as it should? I don't know. Can we see the recipe in the meantime? No? Yes? All right. So 4 cups of water, 1 pack even penny pasta, dozen ackees. I'm going to boil that for about 5 minutes. Salted, boiled, and flaked. That sounds like the saltfish.
It's not hot as it.
Not hot as yet.
Not as hot as it.
All right, while it does that, Bobby, you're 21 years old, born and raised in the Arnett Gardens community. Why did you do culinary in school? You're at Charlie Smith.
Culinary? I actually started with my grandmother's kitchen, though.
Yeah?
Yes.
Talk to me about that.
About one hurricane, not specific which hurricane it was.
Yeah.
About 2004, between those times. And I said, Mommy, well, I'm hungry. She was like,
Go cook.
Go cook.
Nice.
Yeah, so the first thing which I ever prepared was dumpling and mackerel. Yes.
It could I eat?
Yes, it could have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boiled dumpling?
Boiled dumpling.
What?
And I had it with knife and fork.
You had the boiled dumpling with knife and fork?
Yes, with knife and fork.
All right.
Yes. And you know that those times there was no light because of hurricane blow. So I made some hot lemonade same way.
And drink it.
Drink it.
Nothing wrong with that.
Give God thanks for what you have, right?
Yes.
All right.
So and that started the journey. Your grandmother said, so you can't cook, well, you go and cook now.
And ever since that, they have always wanted
Bobby,
me.
you know, it did look red like it. I don't know why, but yeah, the heat is just coming up now on it, I think. Yeah. Aubrey, what go on for your stove?
Just turn it up more.
We put it on high. See it now? That look like it, Bobby. Yeah. Right. So did you do culinary at school?
Yes,
you went to
ma'am.
Charlie Smith?
Yes.
So talk to me about that.
I had the best teacher ever. Miss Moet Bruce. Mrs. Moet Bruce, should
Mrs.
say.
Moet Bruce.
Yes, ma'am.
So you were the only boy in the class?
No, I was one of 3.
Nice.
Yes. In which I actually got the opportunity to do more cooking while in high school. Because teacher gave us the opportunity to say, whoever wants to come and cook, whenever there's a class, he can come and cook.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
They didn't have to wait on a scheduled class time.
Didn't have to wait to come on. Yes, don't have to. And what I loved about it also, even when those writings going on, you can be in the kitchen cooking at the same time. Yes. So you know that most of those writings, all I have to do is just take a snap with my phone.
Nice.
And that's it.
Nice. So cook up, whistle and work.
Yes.
Which is what we're doing now. You got an opportunity to study overseas through playing basketball for Charlie Smith.
Yes, ma'am.
For 4 years. Then you went on to continue foods at Distinction College, where you did City and Guilds Level 1.
Yes.
And then to the Boys Town Training Center, which is one of the best culinary schools anywhere. Worked with Goddard Catering Group. Finishing up Chef de Partie Level 3. Nice, Bobby. So you know your thing, man.
On the go.
Talk to me about the saltfish now. Soaked or boiled?
Boiled.
Boiled.
Yes.
Yeah, me like it when it boils. It don't not so salty.
It's not so salty.
And Bobby, I actually see the saltfish.
Which is good, right?
Sometimes some people sell a saltfish, you know, and it's an essence of saltfish.
I don't believe in making saltfish puny.
No.
Don't believe in that.
No. Nice. And the ackee is nice and hard enough. Whole. It not boil out and mash up.
It's not boiled out or mash up.
No, man, Bobby, I go on with things.
So right now, as
But
you
I
can
eat that with a nice piece of bread too.
see the various colors.
Yes, man.
Like you see the Rastafarian colors right now,
Yes,
right?
man.
So my ackee, after it was boiled, I seasoned it with some salt and pepper.
Okay.
So I don't have to season the saltfish with anything.
anything else,
No more black
because-
pepper, no anything else.
Because the ackee was already
Everything is already seasoned.
All right.
Alright, so what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to warm up the ackee a bit. And after I finish warming up the ackee, I'm going to add my cream sauce. Which is a coconut cream sauce, and trust me, it is delicious.
Coconut cream sauce.
Yes, it is.
What's in it? You just boil down the coconut?
No, I actually made a roux.
Made a?
Roux.
Me don't know what name.
Alright, a roux is made from butter and flour,
Okay.
right?
With the coconut added to it.
With the coconut milk added to it.
Okay. I was telling somebody the other day that when you boil down the coconut, you have to boil it down good, or else you're going to run in belly, and she tell me it's not go so.
Did you know that coconut can actually, like the natural coconut can actually be drink as how it is?
Can it actually be what?
Yeah, you can just blend it and drink it same way.
No, I didn't know that.
Yes. I
That's what
learned
you was
that.
telling me, that I can eat coconut and it don't do nothing. Me say, well, you have
Do
to
you-
boil down.
You drink almond milk, right?
I do.
Alright, so how is it that you can just blend out almond milk and just drink at the same time?
Can't not know in the almond milk.
So what is in
I
coconut
don't know why
milk?
almond milk name milk. It should name almond water.
And the best almond milk to ever drink though is when you actually blend.
The almonds.
Yes.
All right, Bobby, me gonna get your address and come for some, because I don't have the time to blend the almonds.
No problem.
So the pasta too, this says you just boil for 6 to 8 minutes.
Yes.
So it's not too hard, and it's soft enough.
Al
Because
dente.
remember, you're gonna put it back in the heat in the pan, yeah?
Yes, al dente.
All right, so we have to go to news. Mommy's gonna finish up, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And let me tell you, it's a combination of my favorite things.
Smelling all those goodies already?
Saltfish, ackee, pasta, pepper jack cheese.
Alright.
Oh gosh, me no know. The way to my heart is this dish right here that I'm looking at.
Sure you're not just saying that now?
Bobby, you know, so when we go to the news, I'm going to call your granny.
No problem.
We're going to take a break while I call Bobby's granny. We're going to be right back. But awesome meeting you. Jamaica have such awesome young people. Bobby, you're a star. Thank you for being with us this morning.